lemonade tree. Okay. Then back here we've got the orange tree, which is banana. A cat called bananas is buried underneath that. There are a few trees here, mandarin tree, whole toilet. Fig trees, the yellow one, black one I think. There's one over here, it's a big pear tree. All the chooks. Old motorbike, old Yamaha SR250. Now this thing here was quite tall. I've cut the top out. Ain't small stuff, but I use that still to do that. I thought I won't be able to get the wood yard. I'll do some cutting. Just gotta clean this crap here up. But it is a way to see what she sounds like. You should do it there first. Anyway, wait for a little quick cut. I have to say thank you for Michael for longer, because if you're winning the board, so you'll get a longer bar and chain brand new. So thank you, Michael. Longer all the way. Easy, nothing long, nothing here big. We get some big stuff in those. Nothing here big that I can't do long. No, nothing big. Yeah, guys, that's what this sounds like. Hopefully get more of a big cut here, but it's not. Lost more stuff. Or if he kill me if I cut the tree down. Zach, I got a tree from a baby thing. They're just coming to life now. It gets full up of pears, big decent pears too. But the possum comes around and eats them just before they ripen up. So the plan was cutting the top out of this thing and pruning it back so she's more level. Probably end up going this high, I suppose. So we can pull a net over it and get some fruit this year. Because it now coming to the right size, not hard. They're proper-sized fruit, but yeah, just possums. Alright guys, don't think I can do more cutting. I might find a log. Hang on. Like what I do have one log down the back. Bit rotten, but should do. Put the house I can't far away, I think. So you can couple of cuts down there. Soil's still warm, so she's not tuning 100% either. That's just she goes. Probably annoying someone, like neighbours and stuff. Alright. Get the saw. We're at the exhaust port too, so we're getting a lot of noise coming out there. It's a bit, we're still running rich shit coming out. goes good. He said changing the tune already. Right, we'll go next time. Right guys, over and out.